Hi everybody! A lot of people keep asking how is the asphalt driveway sealer holding up on the concrete, and this is the video. We painted a year ago and I want to show you just a little part of the concrete, and as you can see it's peeling off. Now our experience is pretty much the same. If I compare the concrete paint with the asphalt sealer, it is exactly the same. We had to paint it once a year in both cases. Now the only difference is the price. The asphalt cost us $30 for 5 gallons, meanwhile the concrete paint cost us $50 for 1 gallon. So there you go. Truly for us it's exactly the same result, and I will keep painting my concrete porch with asphalt sealer just because I get more product and it's cheaper.